After not seeing children's Tylenol and Advil on the pharmacy shelves for a while, Health Canada is finally bringing in big shipments of the medication, and as soon as next week. But days away from getting stock, pharmacies like this are still taking requests for pharmacy-made drugs from parents, anxious to get something to bring down their kids' fevers or pain.
I'd say we get 15 to 20 patients asking about it all the time. And in the last couple of weeks, it's getting a bit more frantic. The parents are getting a little bit more desperate to get the product. Pharmacist Colin Hollick works at Carisdale Pharmacy on West 41st Avenue. He says they've been experiencing the children's Tylenol and Advil shortage for the past 3 months. But despite their efforts making their own compounded ibuprofen and acetaminophen, they lack the lasting power of over-the-counter pills or liquids. The problem with that is it really only has a 14-day use-by date, the formulas that we use. So we can provide something acutely, which is great, but if patients want to sort of stock up, that's not a solution. Some parents in Vancouver are happy to hear Canada is getting more stock of the children's medication.
I've heard of it, and luckily my sister lives in the States, so I've been able to stock up when I need it. And fortunately, my kids haven't been sick enough that we've needed it a lot. So, but yeah, it's definitely scary.
I have my own at home still, but yeah, it's a great news for every family, right?
Actually excited for those parents who were in needs, right? Because obviously that would be super upset if my son was sick and I had to go to get some painkillers and there weren't any available.
For parents wondering if they can just break off half their adult Advil or Tylenol to give to their kids, the pharmacist says the concern would be giving the right dose based on the child's age and weight, and if the child would be able to handle the taste.
If you ever taste them, they're horrible tasting drugs. They're extremely bitter, and once that's in the child's mouth, if it's not prepared correctly, they're probably not going to take it. Health Canada cautions Canadians to only buy the amount of children's Tylenol or Advil that they need to ensure sick children across the country are able to access it. In Vancouver, Sarah Chu, City News.